tó mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ adé ọmọdé ẹ káalẹ́ ilẹ̀ ti sún mi tí àwa wà ní àyín ẹ má gbàgbé pé mo sọ fún yín pé mo máa release àwọn fídíò kan fún yín. Àṣírí kan bẹ tí ẹ̀gbọ́n ìyàwó Mohbad tú nípa bàbá Mohbad lórí ilẹ̀ tí ìyá ìyàwó Mohbad bára. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fídíò yìí.
Mọ́mì mi lọ kówó fún tán ra ilẹ̀ yẹn ṣé mo kẹ́ Ìkòròdú náà ti ralẹ̀ so mom ìwé ilẹ̀ another ẹni tó nílẹ̀ ò sí around ó lóun máa wálé wá sign ìwé ilẹ̀ ìgbà tó sign ìwé ilẹ̀ tán mọ́mì ní ìwé sọ I think Mohbad inform his dad which is not bad pé òun get nǹkan ìyá ìyàwó òun ló bá òun get it. His dad fought my mom and took the copy of the land whatever. Mommy Mohbad lè ṣe wàhálà. She's the easygoing person. So, mommy mi dẹ̀ release ilẹ̀ yẹn fún daddy Mohbad. He took that land from Mohbad before Mohbad died. He took the land from Mohbad before he died. Who does that? Ilẹ̀ tó he didn't buy it for him o. Ilẹ̀ yẹn ló wá sísí. I'm not disputing for that. Guys, ilẹ̀ sọ. Yeah. Why tí wọ́n sin Mohbad sí Lekki cemetery níbi tó máa bì pìtẹ̀ tọmọ ẹ bá dàgbà tó máa náà tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ dírámà pẹ̀lú ìyàwó sìn tíyàwó move on pẹ̀lú láìfẹ́ báwo ló ṣe máa easy fún láti mú ọmọ yẹn lọ síbi tí bá bẹ̀ wá why tí wọ́n sin sí ibi tó máa bì pìtẹ̀ why tí wọ́n jẹ́ kí Nigerians kan pay last respect fún why was it. You know, he can't ask of the property if they haven't buried him. If Mohbad was not buried, he wouldn't be able to ask for his properties. We are not after that. I'm just after my sister's safety. After her safety and Liam's safety. That's my own priority. Àbúrò mi ò mọ anything nípa ikú ọkọ ẹ̀. Àbúrò àwọn tó bá dẹ̀ súnmọ́ wọn mọ̀. Kò dẹ̀ ń ṣe ọmọ tí ò ní family. Okay, ma'am. You know what? Just calm your mom down. Tell your mom Cynthia will be fine. Okay? Your grandson will be fine. You will see them very soon. That is the worst thing you can do. Okay? Ọmọ wọn ni. Nǹkan tó bá ń wọ̀n lọ́lẹ̀ fọmọ wọn ṣe. Nǹkan tó ń wọ̀n lọ́ fọmọ wọn ṣe. Kò sí kankan tó máa ṣe fún àbúrò yìí. Kò sí kankan tó máa ṣe fún Cynthia. Ṣẹ́gbọ́n, just calm down. Okay. Please. Okay. Let Cynthia just keep running. Do not trust anybody at this time. Okay? Do not cry. If you are crying, what do you want me to do? I can't even cry anymore. I can't cry anymore. I'm not worried. You'll be fine. I love you so much. So many people are praying for you. Okay? Okay? So many people have gone through this situation. So many people. It's not even up to 24 hours. It's not up to 24 hours. Talent, yeah. Talent, yeah. He's not a Muslim. He's not a Muslim. He's not. I don't know. He probably was born a Muslim, but he wasn't practicing. I don't know. Christian. He's not a Muslim, but I think he was born a Muslim or something. Christian. Mommy. Ọkọ mi èmi rè bẹ́ẹ̀ ni èmi rè o ó wà ó ti bá ti. kí ló lọ sí without bàbá kò ṣe òkú anybody òkú gbogbo wa ni. bá ti délé kí ló bá máa sí without something. èmi rè o tí bá ti délé o. I fought like I was on phone throughout yesterday that they shouldn't bury him. Everyone pleaded with this man. Is that I don't know. It's not the right. It's not okay for us to start talking. It just passed. But no defamation of my sister will be allowed. No. Kokin shomojo rolari o. Kokin shomojo rolari. Ile family to ti wa well-to-do family ni wa. Okay, but you know what? Please don't calm down. Okay, they should not say that nonsense. They should not say that nonsense. Go and calm mommy down. Okay, everything will be fine. Okay. Cynthia is safe. It's mommy's grandchild. Shebo. Okay. I'll talk to you. Amen. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Mi ò ní sọ púpọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó pamọ́ ọjọ́ Ọlọ́run ló tó. Ọjọ́ Ọlọ́run tó Adéọmọdé lórúkọ mi. Ẹ lọ bá mi subscribe sí YouTube channel mi Adéọmọdé. Ó dàbọ̀.